Hello again, it's Noob, and well, in this video I want to share some really exciting news, plus I want to show off all the other ways in which you can interact with my content. So the exciting news is I am launching, as of today, my side channel. That's right, Noob has a side channel called, well, Side Noob. It's my side channel. In there I just want to do things like, exploring stuff which doesn't fit in well with my normal channel but is lock and MRE related. So I want to do things like reassemblies of locks, detailed lock type experiments, unpackaging and eating MREs, which is something I really enjoy doing. Maybe discussing locks in different ways I normally do on my channel, looking at lock puzzles, all those kind of things. Just stuff which is hopefully interesting to a lot of people, but not necessarily everybody that watches my main channel. So I don't want to add that content to my main channel. Want to keep that as it is because I really enjoy that channel. But I just want to throw some other stuff out there. I'll try and put content on every week or so as well. So please do go check that out. If you could go over there and subscribe, that would really help me out, and it would, well, it'd encourage me to do more kind of stuff like that. Next up, if you go over to Bosnian Bill's Lock Lab website, you might have started noticing that some videos of mine and other pickers are starting to come up on the front page. That's because Bosnian Bill has teamed up with people like myself, Talan Pick, Andy Mack and Lockpicking Lawyer to host and show some of our videos on his website. In fact, we all have our own little video area on Lock Lab as well, which is really cool. Also, Bill was kind enough to allow me to have a couple of my own web pages hosted on his Lock Lab site. So you can go over there and just check out some more stuff about myself and my channel and some of the designs that I've worked on. So again, just please go check out those Lock Lab links. I'll leave them below in the description as well. I really hope that you enjoy it. If you didn't know, I'm also on Twitter as LockNoob1, and I tend to tweet not every day, but I interact with Twitter every day. I'm probably tweeting every other day, but this is a regular thing for me. So again, it's just my thoughts on stuff, videos that are being published, links to other lock pickers and lock content. So if you're on Twitter, it's definitely worth following me. I'm very neutral, not political. I keep it solidly all about the locks. And last but not least, I'm also on Instagram, and again, I'm posting on there a couple of times a week, all locksport related stuff, just things that I'm interested in, my designs, other people's work that I think is awesome, all that kind of stuff. So honestly, just go check out my Instagram too. I'd really appreciate it. So that's it. That's all the ways in which I'm on social media and various websites. So please, if you can, go check out all those other streams. Especially, please do go check out my side channel, Side Noob. I really hope to put more regular content on there. I hope you enjoy it. And of course, I'll see you all next time.